Flush setting is a great technical skill to add to your repertoire, and it's probably easier than you think. You can add sparkle and elevate your work, and even add profit by doing all of the stone setting yourself. I'm Sharon, and in this pre-recorded course on flush setting, I'll be sharing with you my 18 years of experience in metalsmithing and jewelry. I'll share with you my favorite tools that I use for flush setting, and I'll also be demonstrating all of my tips, tricks, techniques, and more to show you how you can learn to easily flush set 2mm round full cut stones in a short period of time. This is a great skill for any intermediate metalsmith to learn, and it is totally within your grasp. Learning this skill is going to give you so much confidence, and it's going to open up so many possibilities for what you can make in jewelry. I'll even share some mistakes that I've made along the way and how you can fix them. This is going to elevate your work and take it to the next level, and I hope to see you there.